All right, boys and girls, so for your math worksheet today, what I want you to do is you can use the pencil tool or you can use the circle tool, whatever is easier for you. But when you have to draw the place value discs, don't worry about putting the numbers inside. So this one says draw 217 using hundreds, tens, and ones. So 100, 200, 10, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217. And then this one says draw 21 tens and 7 ones. So there's already 4 here, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move over here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then it says 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just do your best. I know it's not easy. It's hard to use this. And then the bottom one, and then when you're done, you have to compare the numbers. So this says 217 is less than, equal to, or greater than 217. And then the bottom one, you have to draw 100, 17 ones, and then you have to draw 100, 110, 7 ones. And again, are these two numbers less than, equal to, or greater than? All right, have a good day. Bye.